Hello, my name is Tudor Joost. I am here for you. My name is also peace. Yes, nature, sleep, relax. Imagine you are at a house on a rainbow. It has more than four colors. It's very beautiful. Yes, sleep. Mm. Yes, relax now. The house is peaceful. You are sleeping now. Your tutors approaches and a lot of peace enters your minds. Yes, sleeps now. You calmly feel the blessed feeling of social expectations, anxiety, and quietness in your aloneness because you don't know anyone in your new home and you don't fit in. This was not what you expected, and you are disappointed and is thinking about dropping out. Don't do this. This is a fun and learnful place to be. Usually, a bear appears and starts massaging your shoulders. They are very tight, and you needed this. Bremershausen also has tilbud on Sears top, and life is a little bit better. The massage is not good because the bear has claws and they hurts. You bleeds, but then you kill it because you are Rus and you know the drill. Sleep now. You are everything. Hilsen, your responsible Tudor Joost.